want the shadow of the Civil War still, and Zemini analysts believe the effects of the Nigerian Civil War never truly disappeared politically. Since the Biafra War ended, many Igbo people feel the Southeast has remained political, sidelined, applied worldwide. Some people in the northern and western political establishment still reportedly view strong Igbo nationalism with suspicion. That distrust affects presidential politics even decades later. 2. Nigerian politics runs on powerful alliances. Nigeria's presidency is usually won through massive regional coalitions. Many commentators argue that the Igbo political class has struggled to build long-term alliances across regions compared to northern political networks or Yoruba political structures. Elliot Uko himself has previously argued that internal division among Igbo leaders weakens their chances more than outsiders do. In simple terms, politics in Nigeria is less about best candidate, more about who controls the strongest coalition. 3. A fear of losing existing power structures. Some critics say certain elites fear that an Igbo presidency could disrupt the current balance of power in Nigeria. Africans' angle. This argument claims major political blocs already benefit from the present system, and changing that system may threaten their influence, appointments, contracts, or regional dominance. Whether fully true or not, this belief is common in many political discussions around the Southeast 4-4. Peter Obi changed the conversation. The rise of Peter Obi during the 2023 election changed many assumptions. For the first time in years, an Igbo candidate gained large support outside the Southeast, especially among youths. That showed many ordinary Nigerians may be more open to an Igbo president than some political elites. But it also revealed how difficult it still is to overcome entrenched party structures and regional voting patterns. 5. Some Nigerians reject ethnic politics entirely. Another side of the debate says the issue should not even be Igbo presidency or Yoruba presidency, but competence and governance. Many younger Nigerians increasingly argue Nigeria needs a good president, not an ethnic president. That view became stronger after economic hardship and frustration with traditional politics.